The review meeting was specifically meant for the COVID-19. Few decisions again were taken this evening for opening up of different activities throughout the state. Number one, as you all know, close contact physical sports activities was not allowed till today. So in the review meeting today evening, we decided that all sports activities will start reopening up from next week, meaning from Monday onwards. Number two, cinema halls will also again start reopening up with 1/3 capacity from Monday onwards. The jackpot parlors, public parks like Lady Hydra Park, Watts Lake, like Elephant's Fall, this will also be allowed to open from Monday onwards. However, I would like to mention here very, very clearly, these activities will be strictly subjected to the SOPs which is to be issued by the government along with the respective deputy commissioners. If not today, maybe tomorrow. And the important SOP will be only 18 years plus, and not only 18 years plus, those people who already vaccinated. Then the next decision we taken, private transport will be allowed with 1/3 capacity, means the numbers of vehicle which needs to ply on the road, it should be 1/3. And again, this notification, detailed notification will be issued by the respective deputy commissioners. Vaccination percentage till today evening, we have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good. And I'm sure by the end of September, we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly, they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign. And I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85, 90%, I think, the restrictions can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. But what we requesting each and every citizens of the state is, please take care of yourself. Even if you come out, be it in Police Bazaar, be it in Laipkra, be it anywhere, at least your mask should be fully covered. Distance should be at any cost maintained, because this is not for the interest of the government. It is for your own safety, for your own interest. So we keep reminding this, we keep requesting all stakeholders to kindly adhere and follow strictly with the SOPs issued by the government through health department. See, because right now our target is what? The shop owners, the SOPs in place, like Yodo, run, managed by the SAM of Mlim, that also we have given the SOP, where they need to make sure that the SOP is adhered to. So therefore, we entrusted these SOPs to the concerned shopkeepers or shop owners, as well as the owner of the market like Yodu or any other market, that they need to comply with the SOP issued by health department.